Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 update error, that is 0x800f0986 while updating your Windows 10 to version 1909 or 1903. So the first step is to run Windows Update Troubleshooter. To run Troubleshooter, click on the Start menu, then click on Settings, go to Update and Security, and then click on Troubleshoot. Click on Windows Update, then click on Run the Troubleshooter. Once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try updating Windows 10. The next step is to restart Windows Update Services. To restart Windows Update Services, type in Services in Windows search box and then make a right click, then click on Run as Administrator and find Windows Update. So here you can see Windows Update. Make sure that this is running and this is set to automatic. So make a right click, then click on Properties. So if it is not set to automatic, then click on it, then select automatic and then click on Start. If this is highlighted, then click on Start, then apply, OK. And the next thing you want to do is make a right click. If this is already running, then make a right click, then click on Restart. Now once the restart is done, you can go ahead and try updating Windows 10 once again. The next step is to run DSN Command. To run DSN Command, you go ahead and type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on Run as Administrator, then click on Yes to allow and then copy this command. The command is provided in the video description. Then paste the command in the PowerShell window and hit the Enter key on the keyboard. Once the scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then try updating Windows 10. So here you can see the scan has just started. So once the scan is complete, restart your computer and then try updating Windows 10 once again. Now the next step is to use Windows 10 Update Assistant. To use Windows 10 Update Assistant, open browser, then type in Media Creation Tool. Just type in Media Creation Tool in Google search. Then click on this Microsoft website which says Download Windows 10 This Image. Then click on Update Now. This is the Update Assistant. So click on Update Now. This will download the tool, run the exe file, then click on Yes to allow. It will go ahead and check the Windows Update and it will go ahead and update your Windows 10 to the latest version. Still you're facing the problem, then you can use Media Creation Tool to update your Windows 10. So click on Download Tool now. A small exe file will download. You have to run this exe file. Click on it. Click on Yes to allow. A tool will download. Now this process will take time because it will go ahead and download the complete Windows 10 file along with the latest update. So the file may be around 5 to 6 gigabytes. So depending upon the speed of your internet, it will go ahead and download the Windows 10 file along with the latest update. And once the download is complete, you can go ahead and install Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now let me inform you that you will not lose any data on the computer, because during the installation it will give you an option to keep your apps and data. In that way you will not lose any data on your computer. Agree to the Microsoft terms. Click on Accept. Now here you can see it says upgrade this PC now. By default this one will be checked. So click on next, and then it will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now during the installation it will give you an option. Once the download is complete, it will create media, and then after that during installation it will give you an option which says choose what to keep, and by default key personal files and app will be checked. So make sure that this one is checked so that you don't lose any data, and then click on next. And during the installation your computer might restart, and once the installation is done you go ahead and log into your computer, and that error should go away and your Windows 10 will be up to date. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.